Hey guys, time for silver lining of the day. Silver lining, look at that beautiful ocean. Oh, and hear those waves. Complete serenity, relaxation. We are in a very touristy spot, and being it's January, all the homes around us are empty and it's fantastic. So anyway, we're having a wonderful day at the beach. Went to have a little lunch at one of the little local spots around here. Then went to Food Lion and to Ace Hardware, and that's what you do on Hatteras Island because there's not much more to do, which is great. Going to have some grilling going on and have a restful night. Silver lining of the day, find yours. I'll see you tomorrow.